Hi, hello. So today we are in Biryani Bhavan. If you're looking for a Chennai biryani in Ajman, definitely this is a place. And they've also awarded the best biryani in town. So we have taken the chicken biryani along with mutton biryani. So this one is the mutton biryani. They have raita, they have brinjal curry along with the sheera. That's the dessert. So this is the chicken biryani. It also have a egg. Both have the eggs and then the parota. Parota is only costing 1.5 dirhams. It have three varieties of curry, which is free of charge. It have pepper curry, ginger curry, and chicken chukka gravy. Mutton sala is a different one. You need to pay extra for that. So we have tried out the gravy along with the parota. We thought it might not be so much of flavorful taste, but really all the three were the taste and nice. So we are trying out the chicken biryani. The rice is really flavorful. The chicken is well cooked. It's perfectly cooked, you can say. And we have tried out the mutton biryani also. So mutton, the biryani and the flavor and rice and everything is perfectly balanced. The mutton biryani, the mutton is well cooked, perfectly cooked. You can see the tenderness of the mutton, how it is. So do enjoy, and if you get a chance, do let us know your opinion. Thank you.